does too. Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and in this video, I'm going to show you the most amazing deal we've ever had on a full system for a Harley Davidson. The largest discounts ever. So you're going to want to watch this video, and I'm going to show you more about this full velocity system. It's a limited time at a very low price. So watch the rest. But if you've got a 2014 to 2023 Street Glide Special, Road Glide Special, or one of these year-range bikes that you want to do a 4-speaker system with cutting kits and 6x9s, you're not going to find a better deal than what I have laid out here on the table. Our friends at Velocity have given us a very limited time, very, very awesome price on 200 full systems. Now, I say limited because it's only going to be on sale until we sell those 200 systems, and then it's going back up to normal price. But first, let me tell you what we have, then I'll go into pricing with you and how big a discount this is. All right, we got Chris rode the bike out here. Hopefully that footage came through with him riding. We're gonna fire up some music. We're gonna walk away. We've got, I think last count was 20-something parking spots. Let me count again. Yeah, I think we're at the right place, like 26 spots. They're 9 feet each. We measured them last time. So we're somewhere around 250 feet if we walk to the end of this parking lot. And I'm going to tell you, we already turned it on, turned it off. It's crazy hearing the echo off the buildings 300 feet away. But let's get it fired up. Let's get it playing. We're going to walk away and just see how loud it is as we get away from it. I think loud music does too. This is a pro audio system. So Rob Gomez at American Hardback / Velocity, he's the guy that engineered and came up with this design. Now you're going to see it looks very familiar with a compression horn and a pro audio driver. A lot of companies have used his design building their speakers. One of the downsides to a lot of them is they're not weatherproof. In this case, it's going to be completely weatherproof. Very, very loud, very, very efficient. And as you see, a monster of a speaker, amazing build, comes with crossovers. It's going to come with an 1100 watt amplifier. The RZ 1000.4, it's an 1100 watt total power amplifier, completely plug and play with all the harnessing we need. And we're going to get the 6.5 inch fairing speakers and grills. So grills for street glide or road glide, depending on what you have. Complete plug and play amp with the mount, all the harnessing, the power and ground wire, perfectly tuned by Volunteer Audio to make this an easy plug and play install. We're going to get 6x9s as well on the back. Pro Audio 6x9s, crossovers, neodymium magnets, extremely loud, extremely clear. And what I like about the design of Velocity is their crossover actually has a step down that cuts this tweeter down some. So we still hear our mid, we still get decent bass out of it, and we still get that overwhelming, this crazy loud audio that sounds great. We're going to get a set of Velocity cutting kits. So we're going to be able to put these 6x9s in our lids without buying new lids. And the front and rear speakers are all going to come with the SSK hydrophobic cloth to make them completely watertight. This system is very expensive. These speakers are normally $580 a pair. These are $650 a pair. These are not low-end components. This full system any other time would be $2,880. And we've got a crazy deal. We're taking $880 off and we're giving you free shipping. This system's $1,999.99, and that's going to be built for Street Glide or Road Glide, tuned to whatever radio you have, completely plug and play from Volunteer Audio with every component you need. Now, I'm going to be filming a step-by-step install video, going into more depth, showing you exactly how to put it in. That'll be coming up later, but believe me, we've never had a system we could take $880 off. That is a huge discount. These are not going to last long. We're going to run this deal till October 31st or until we blow through 200 kits. I don't think it's going to make it anywhere near the end of October. So if you're going to be in Maryville at the Smoky Mountain Bike Rally, you need to come see me because Volunteer Audio is going to be set up, selling Hertz audio systems, Soundstream radios, and these Velocity systems as well. I'll have a bike there that you can hear it and hear our Hertz system. So I want you to come check that out as well. Go to volunteeraudio.com, look at the specs on all this equipment. I think you'll agree there's no way you're going to get a speaker like this anywhere near this price. Use the link above or below, popped up on screen somewhere, or the link in the description to get to the kit now at volunteeraudio.com. If you have more questions, if you want to talk to one of our knowledgeable salespeople about your bike, your build, your budget, make sure this is right for you. Give us a call, 1-844-30-AUDIO. And as always, nobody does plug and play like Volunteer Audio. You're going to get everything you need completely pre-wired. We're going to power it up. We're going to set the gains. We're going to set the filters. We're going to make it so easy. We're going to do those hard parts here. And if you can follow along with our video, you can get this installed. So nobody does it like us, and you're going to get lifetime tech support, that same number, 1-844-30-AUDIO. If you don't find what you need in the video, you can call us, and one of our techs will walk you through whatever question you have. We'll allow you to get this done and not have to pay labor. You'll get to save that money. Now, if this is above and beyond probably something you take on your own, come to Bike Week. Come listen to the bike, set up an appointment. We'll get you installed there, or we'd be happy to have you come in afterwards, and we'll set up an appointment here at Volunteer Audio. Thank you for watching. I can't believe we can take this much money off this system. The guys at Velocity have really stepped up and allowed us to offer a once-in-a-lifetime deal. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.